Welcome to Stevenson Middle School. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of a few of our systems. We're going to start with some of the systems that highlight the Stevenson culture. First off, we have our vision, which we have displayed large and centrally in the middle of the TFA office. Next, we have our Core Member of the Day board, where we pick a different core member each day to share a little bit about themselves. We also have a Where Are We From board, complete with a world map that allows core members to show where they come from as well as where they're going. You write a number on where you're from, and then you list out your name so that people can know who goes with each number. These are written in different colored markers that correspond to the different regions that we have represented within our site. This is our TAL rubric wall, which allows CMAs the opportunity to identify core members that exemplify specific strands of the TAL rubric, making it easier for core members and visitors to find specific traits in teachers that they would like to observe. This is our regional races competition. It is a favorite amongst staff and core members alike. It is a daily question, and core members have to respond with their answers, which they put on post-it notes and place within their specific region's area on the door. We have one for each region and staff, and points are awarded based on most interesting and creative answers, as well as the region that has the most answers given. This is in order to provide a little fun for core members, as well as giving an incentive to get to the IL session room early, because once the session has begun, answers are not taken any longer. TAL Pals is a system for observing other core members. A core member will come and pick up a TAL Pal slip, and then they will go look for specific things based on the TAL rubric and the TAL impact model that are happening in a different core member's class. And both the observer and the core member being observed have their names written on the slip, and at the end of the week we draw one at random and provide some sort of prize as just a little incentive and fun for getting into other classrooms and really seeing what is happening there. We have our core member shout out wall, also known as Face Locker at many schools. This is a place where other core members can write shout outs and nice notes to core members, and then at the end of the summer we're going to give these to each core member and they can take it home as a nice little keepsake in memory of the summer. And as our last stop on our culture tour of Stevenson, we are in the IL room, currently being used for an IL session, but I'm highlighting the speakers as well as the screen and the projector that we use each morning before our morning meeting to show a quick daily slideshow made up of photos and videos of core members teaching from the day before. It takes about 30 minutes each day to go around and get just a 30-second clip from about 10 different classrooms, but then putting them together using iPhoto is incredibly quick and easy. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes, and the core members love to be able to see each other teaching every morning because they're not always able to get into each other's classrooms. In addition to culture, I would like to highlight two other systems, the Mobile Resource Lab as well as the Audio-Visual Sign Out. The Mobile Resource Lab has text available for ELA teachers to use during the week at Stevenson, and the Audio-Visual Crate has different things that core members might find useful in their classrooms, such as a camera, camcorder, projector, speakers, etc. For both of these, core members just need to sign out on the log what they are taking and make sure to sign them back in as soon as they are done using them. And finally, we have our observation stations where observers can come into a classroom and observe the teachers. They are complete with an observation binder which holds AIT plans, management plans, investment plans, daily lesson plans, as well as observation feedback forms. There's also a nice folder for putting any observations and comments in for teachers to review later at their own pleasure.